2, 1. This is the futuristic. Do you see? It's like futuristic. Yeah? And it's like sage. Huh? Everyone looks like this. This car looks like sage. Huh? Do you see a sage? Look! Look around! Look! And the room, why is like this? And no bumper. Nice car, bruh. Goodbye.